Hi guys, in front of me is OPPO A57s and let me show you how to block a number on this device. So at first, open your phone dialer, then go to contacts, and if you have contact here and if you want to block some particular contact, let me quickly add some contact. So if you wish to block a particular contact, pick this contact, then tap on more icon, and then just select block numbers. And that's it. As you can see, from now on, picked contact is blocked. But also you can set some general rules. Just tap on more icon here, go to settings, and select block numbers. And now you can smoothly block all unknown colors, or then add some number manually by yourself. Just click on add a number and then enter the particular number that you wish to block. Then whenever you want to unblock some contact, smoothly tap on cross icon and confirm that you want to unblock it. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.